Hello everyone, and welcome back to Hanan Resin and Craft. Today's video is all about one of the most misunderstood and misused epoxy types in the industry.
Deep pour Epoxy.
You've probably seen it online in river tables, thick molds, crystal clear castings, large epoxy projects, luxury resin furniture, and it looks beautiful. But here's the truth. Most people use deep pour epoxy wrong. They don't understand what it's made for. They don't understand how it behaves. And they don't understand when to use it and when not to. So in this video, I'm going to explain everything clearly and simply, what deep pour epoxy really is, how it works, the difference between deep pour and coating epoxy, its real purpose, when to use it, when not to use it, and how professionals think about deep pour epoxy. This is not theory. This is practical knowledge. And if you want to master epoxy the right way, make sure you subscribe to Hanan Resin and Craft, because this channel is built for real education, not shortcuts. Now let's start from the foundation. What is deep pour epoxy? Deep pour epoxy is a special type of epoxy resin designed for thick pours. It is not normal epoxy. It is not coating epoxy. It is not tabletop epoxy. Deep pour epoxy is chemically engineered to cure slowly, generate less heat, handle large volumes, stay stable in thick layers. When normal epoxy cures, it creates heat. This heat is called exothermic reaction. If normal epoxy is poured thick, the heat builds up too fast. This causes cracking, yellowing, burning, smoking, soft curing, bubbles, structural failure. Deep pour epoxy is designed to control this heat. Cures slowly on purpose. This slow curing allows the heat to escape safely. That's why it can be poured thick without burning. So the simplest definition is, deep pour epoxy is epoxy designed for thickness, volume, and depth. How deep pour epoxy works. Deep pour epoxy uses a slow chemical reaction system. This means longer working time, longer curing time, lower heat buildup, better stability in thick pours, stays liquid longer, flows deeper, it levels slowly, cures gradually. This is what makes it perfect for large molds, deep castings, thick layers, massive epoxy volumes. But this slow curing also means something important. Deep pour epoxy is not fast. It is not quick. It is not efficient for thin layers. It is designed for depth, not speed. Difference between deep pour epoxy and coating epoxy. This is where most people get confused. Let's simplify it. Coating epoxy, designed for thin layers, cures faster, hardens quicker, high surface strength, fast working time, surface protection. Used for tabletops, floors, seal coats, protective layers, finishing coats.
Deep pour Epoxy.
Designed for thick layers, cures slowly, long working time, low heat reaction, volume stability, depth casting. Used for river tables, thick molds, large castings, deep void filling, decorative structures. The core difference. Coating epoxy equals surface protection. Deep pour epoxy equals volume casting. Or simply, coating epoxy is for surfaces. Deep pour epoxy is for depth. Purpose of deep pour epoxy. Deep pour epoxy exists for one main reason: to safely handle large volumes of resin in thick layers. Its purpose is not shine. Its purpose is not speed. Its purpose is not coating. Its purpose is structure and depth. It is made to fill deep spaces, create thick bodies, build solid forms, cast large volumes. This is why it's used in luxury resin furniture and large epoxy art. When to use deep pour epoxy. Use deep pour epoxy when you are pouring thick layers, you are filling deep molds, you are creating river tables, you are casting large objects. You need volume stability. You need depth clarity. Examples: river table centers, large cracks in wood slabs, deep decorative molds, resin furniture bodies, thick casting blocks. This is correct usage. When not to use deep pour epoxy. This is very important. Do not use deep pour epoxy for floor coatings, thin tabletop coatings, seal coats, protective layers, fast projects, high-traffic surfaces. Why? Because deep pour epoxy cures too slowly, stays soft longer, attracts dust, is inefficient in thin layers, is more expensive, has weaker surface hardness in thin coats. Using deep pour epoxy as a coating is technically possible, but it is not professional and not efficient. It's like using a truck to deliver a letter. Professional thinking about deep pour epoxy. Professionals don't choose epoxy by brand. They choose by function. They ask, how thick is the pour? How much volume? What is the environment? What is the purpose? What is the load? Then they choose the epoxy type. Deep pour epoxy is not better epoxy. It is specialized epoxy. And specialization always means limitation. Common mistakes with deep pour epoxy. Let's protect you from mistakes. Mistake 1, using it for coatings. Mistake 2, using it for floors. Mistake 3, pouring too fast. Mistake 4, poor mold sealing. Mistake 5, no surface prep. Mistake 6, no temperature control. Mistake 7, no test pour. Deep pour epoxy still needs surface prep, clean molds, sealing, mixing accuracy, environmental control. Slow curing does not mean careless work. Deep pour epoxy safety. Deep pour epoxy still creates heat, still releases fumes, still requires protection. Always use gloves, ventilation, masks, proper containers, heat-resistant molds. Safety is not optional. Final professional advice. Here's the truth. Deep pour epoxy is powerful, but it's not magic. It doesn't replace skill. It doesn't replace preparation. It doesn't replace knowledge. If you use it correctly, it creates incredible results. If you use it wrongly, it creates expensive failures. Deep pour epoxy is not for everything, but for the right projects, it is unmatched. If your project needs depth, volume, structure, mass, thickness, then deep pour epoxy is the right tool. If your project needs surface protection, speed, durability, hard coatings, fast curing, then coating epoxy is the right tool. Professionals don't ask, what epoxy is better? They ask, what epoxy fits this job? If this video helped you understand deep pour epoxy clearly, make sure you subscribe to Hanan Resin and Craft. This channel is built for people who want real epoxy knowledge. Not confusion, not guessing, not mistakes. Like the video, share it with someone learning epoxy, and comment below what epoxy topic you want next. I'll see you in the next video.